I am having my friends over for some Italian dinner. How to store. So kawaii. This is how you make money. Under the light.
What are you doing?
Da 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 da. Good morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today is a very busy day for me because I am having my friends over for some Italian dinner. I've been, into a lot of different cuisines, but I really want to get, I really want to get to know Italian food. So I actually bought this book. It's called Essentials of Classic Italian Cooking by Marcella Hazan. It starts with like fundamentals of each ingredient. Like if you think of Italian food, you think of parsley, garlic, olive oil, and like all of those kind of stuff, how it plays in Italian cuisine. So it's really educational book for me. I really want to get into that. Today I'm going to be cooking a lot of stuff. It's kind of like my friends are always kind of like my guinea pigs because they try my like food that's not really like mastered, and I just something that I just try. But so I decided to make something pretty fairly simple. I'm making just classic pizza, making the dough from scratch as well. I'm making spaghetti and meatballs. Meatballs and tomato sauce is made from scratch, and I'm actually making this thing called, what is this? Pork loin braised in milk. Hi, Emily. So I'm just gonna kind of take you guys around today, showing you guys probably not too detailed. Like I probably won't share recipes, but just like small clips of me cooking here and there and decorating the place. I actually bought these lights that I want to hang on the top of our ceiling in our living room. So I did some groceries right here. I got some whole milk and some vanilla, some good quality vanilla ice cream for the avocado. And this is the pork loin roast for the milk dish. Well, I still have about 6 hours until friends come and have dinner. So I'm gonna be a little hungry. I have some rice here. I have this is what I filmed mukbang with, the cheese one. This is a marinated chicken boneless thigh. I think they were going for dakgalbi, but I have a lot left, so I think I'll just cook some, and I have leftover rice here. And then I have perilla leaves. If you guys are wondering how to store a perilla, leftover perilla leaves after you have barbecue or something, I always thought that you're supposed to keep them dry, but no, you're supposed to keep them very moist. So in a Ziploc bag, have the stems towards the bottom so it has source of water here, and keep it like sprayed with a little bit of water, and then store it like this. I think this has been almost a week since I used them, and look how fresh they are. So I want to use that today. How it's cooking, yum! So these are some leftover vegetables that I have, which I kept it in the plastic bag. I want to just use all of it. And my rice is done. We actually ate already. It was a great meal at a lovely time. So this is the light bulb that I want to use. As you notice, there's no light bulb here, so to attach them. So kawaii. Kawaii desu. Ame. Ooh, I left the door open, like the balcony door open. The fly just flew in, so I just for a couple minutes, but it's so breezy. No AC on. Just us and some bird and cicadas. No. You want to be in the video today? Mama, don't step on it. This is how you make money. 25 cents per bulb.
That's a lot. I would do this all day, Ben.
Is it a lot?
Yeah, 25 cents. Then doing 4 is only like you get $1.
That's true.
Like if you do the
We're actually millionaires.
yeah, you know the animal eye sewing thing. It's like 0.5 cent per eye.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it looks so bad in the camera, but it's really pretty. It's so pretty! Okay, we're under the light. It's really pretty. I like it. Maybe I could fix this part. Like this. I don't know how to hang it. This is the basic setup. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is just empty bottle of red wine that I used a while ago. Well, I used a little bit for cooking and don't drink the rest of it. This is going to be for pizza, some spaghetti, meatballs, and no, this is for the pork loin, and this is for the meatballs and some wine glasses, just some different plates. Feels like that was a lot. I'm just gonna rest a little bit. Actually, I can't rest. I have to find this book so I can make the tomato sauce. But I don't know where the book went. I saw it this morning and then it just disappeared. Book. Yeah, it's not that cold. It's pretty warm still, but Ahmed's really enjoying this weather. He hasn't gone outside to people watch for entire summer because it was so hot, and because we're next to the trees, there are a lot of bugs here, and I don't want him to get any. Ahmed, what's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, it's so breezy, huh? Super breezy. Just checking if everything's okay. Good boy. This is my first homemade tomato sauce. I think this is good for the meatballs, but I think I might have to make one more for the pizza. But I mean, it didn't take too long, so let me just start with this. And if I need more, I'll just make more. I have one more can. I used this one whole can, and then sprout one more here. I have some basil for the pizza, some yeast and flour, and this is actually for cleaning my pots, so it doesn't go there. 일로 와봐. 내가 잡고 있을게. 해줄게.
내가 봐. 엄마 얘 손질 나오는 거 봐라. What are you doing? 꽉 잡았어?
응.
꽉 잡았어?
여기요.
한 번 더. Swag.
Thanks, babe. Whoa, pizza! Da 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 da! Oh my god, look at this meatball. Where's spaghetti, some salad. I think this is the best pizza ever made. Pork.
더워? 너무 분위기 좋은 거 아니야, 지금?
기대 해라 기대팔? 그때는 그냥 나 그런 거 필요 없었는데 돌아보면은 진짜 약간 싫은 쪽에 노력한 거 얘기하고 있는데
Like literally.
야
Why?
Really?
I noticed that too.
Yeah, what? Coffee ice cream. Coffee with ice cream.
Oh.
안해? 그래서 나도 몰랐는데
Fast version of avocado. Yeah.
I was like, why can't you say avocado?
Such a fob. And she's just trying to be nice, not say anything.
저 이탈리안 배웠다고 우와
But they're not like the small ones. They're like.
Oh my god, cupcake and
Big ass
espresso.
That sounds so good. We're getting so old. We're having wine with our dinner, and now we're having 이거 끝난 거야 이제. After this, we start having like chill champagne. 끝났어.
그래도 지금이 제일 좋아 진짜
So funny.
사진 찍는데 안 보이잖아요 He's so excited.
I'm so excited. for
거의 다
that.
짐이 다 그걸 거야. 라이온만 먹어.
그러니까.
아니 네가 그냥 만들어서 그냥 옆에서 팔어.
지하철 가서
다 팔잖아. 카카 제로.
Well, so my friends are gone. I try to clean a little bit, but these lights are bright. Like none of my other lights are on. This thing is bright. I actually wanted to keep this here just for tonight, but I think I'm going to keep it there. Yeah, I look messy. My friends left. They brought 2 bottles of red wine, cupcakes, salad, and bread and chocolate, and a bunch of other goodies. So we are full, we are stuffed, had some great, conversations. We played some games, talked. But yeah, it's a tiring day. I try to clean a little bit. I cleaned half of it. All my cooking, we finished all of it, so which is good. I made I think I try to make less than what I thought we would need, but it was actually perfect amount because I don't know, like ever since I started cooking for people, I really don't like it when there are leftovers, and like I feel like, oh, maybe, later I think about it and be like, oh, was this food not good? Did people not enjoy my cooking? So instead of that, I start to reduce like amount of the food that I made for people, because I'd rather have people be like, oh, I wish we had more of this, this was so good, instead of like having a lot of leftovers and not knowing what to do with it. So today I think it was a perfect amount. I had a pork loin dish, a pizza, and a spaghetti, which the meatballs and spaghetti was literally so good, and tongse is to die for. Pork was good, little dry. So it was my first time making it. I'll try to figure out if I can master it. And then pizza was good. I think the sauce could have been a little better. The dough was kind of like, I wish it was a little bit more crispy. But yeah, we went through 2 bottles of red wine. My friends brought a cupcake from Nothing Bundt Cake. That cake. The cupcake was
Lit.
it was like
Lit.
so moist. And then I made affogato. According to him, it's avocado. So I made some avocado. Wow, that thing was good. It was like a milk latte. It's so good, so good. I'm gonna clean the rest later, tomorrow, and then yeah, I'm gonna call it a night today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you guys did, make sure to let us know in the comment box, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Are you talking?
I try.